Today I'm going to teach you about web design fundamentals for beginners. Hi, my name is Tashella Green. I'm the program director for the graphic design and web development program here at F.I.R.S.T Institute. So the first fundamental we're going to discuss today is space. Space is really important because it helps the readability of information on a website. There are two different types of space. There's macrospace and microspace. Macrospace is some of the larger areas of space between your different objects on your actual website. Microspace are those really tiny spaces between, let's say, two buttons or a paragraph of text, between individual lines of text possibly. Space oftentimes conveys a sense of quality. For example, if you go to a high-end store, it's usually very spacious, very few items, and discount stores tend to be very cluttered and have a lot of merchandise. Well, a website's no different. So whenever there's more space between objects or elements on the page, they actually feel more important and more emphasized. The second fundamental we're going to cover is accessibility. So accessibility is a very important subject when it comes to web design. Technology needs to be accessible to as many people as possible, including those who may have various disabilities. Some people have a lack of perception when it comes to certain colors. So if they log onto your website, there might be certain colors that they just cannot really interpret accurately, like a red and a green, or yellow on an orange background. You may want to try to increase your contrast with the various elements that you have. For example, using a black and a white, using a dark blue and yellow instead of green and red. Being aware of type size is very important whenever you're creating documents for the web. It's important for fonts to be scalable because some people have visual impairments and they need to be able to read things in a larger size. The next principle that we're going to look at is navigation. Navigation is how you actually get from one page to another page within a website. Well, bad navigation will cause a frustrated user, and a frustrated user becomes somebody who does not use your site. The 3-click rule actually states that the end user has to achieve their end goal within 3 clicks. And if they don't, well, they're gone. So it's extremely important for your navigation to be very concise, very clear, and then it has to be very consistent. So if you keep these fundamentals in mind for your web design, your end user will have a really great experience. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked it, give us a like and subscribe. I'm Tashella Green with F.I.R.S.T Institute. Have fun with your web design, be creative, and we'll see you soon.